The Philippines is in a unique position in the shipbuilding global value chain as it has both demands for smaller vessels in the domestic market and for large commercial ships in the international market. Export-oriented shipbuilding has played a role in the Philippine economy since 1994. In 2016, it accounted for $1.6 billion in revenue and employed 48,000 workers from the sector. Meanwhile, in 2017, the Department of Trade and Industry reported that the Philippines has ranked the fourth largest shipbuilding nation in the world. However, the key challenges of the sector still remain primarily related to technology upgrading and capacity building of the workforce. Good vessel design and standards will help produce fast, safe, and reliable ships that operate in a fuel-efficient and environmentally sustainable way. This is important because the maritime sector had the second highest energy consumption among transportation modes, based on a report published by the Philippine Department of Energy in 2019. Reducing bunker consumption while providing the safety of ship, crew, and cargo is a reflection of effective vessel design. Reduced fuel consumption would also lead to reduced overall emissions. Furthermore, the improvement in trade area capacity for shipbuilding and ship repair workers will elevate sector awareness and competitiveness in the international landscape. Hence, there is a need for software that could evaluate vessel specifications and design against meteorological and oceanographical conditions, like wind speeds and wave conditions, to produce recommendations on fuel-efficient, safe, and optimized routes for ships. The software must also be able to utilize data available in the country, like weather data from DOST Pagasa, and offer modules that could be easily integrated into technologies used in the evaluation of ship designs. The alternative Voyage routing software for local navigation, or Project ALON, addresses this need by developing easy-to-use software that can identify and optimize routes for a given vessel design and wind and wave conditions. This is Project 4 of the NICER program proposal entitled Center for Maritime Transport Hub, to be led by the University of Cebu. The project will address SDG 9 through domestic technology development, research, and innovation that aims to upgrade the technological capabilities of the Philippine shipbuilding and ship repair industry. Meanwhile, SDG 11 is addressed through the development and promotion of safe, affordable, accessible, and sustainable maritime transportation through effective ship design. Finally, SDG 12 and 13 are addressed through the promotion of energy-efficient fleet operations and possible reduction of emissions from local navigation. Project ALON proposes to develop a software application that is customized for local use and considers the variables related to passage time, fuel consumption, ship propulsion type, and safety factors in the local setting. The resulting application can be used by Marina and the Philippine Navy for simulations and regulatory analyses, as well as shipping companies and naval architects for vessel design testing. The software will also be low-cost and easily accessible to the local maritime industry. Project ALON will help the local shipbuilding and ship repair industry to develop new and improved vessel designs which are better adapted to the local weather and sea conditions of the Philippines. Meanwhile, private ship operators will be able to drive growth and maximize their profitability, while still supporting the goal of decarbonization. Finally, the riding public who uses our maritime network for their business and transportation needs will be able to enjoy improved vessel performance and safer, worry-free voyages. To summarize, we need to highlight the importance of the domestic development of low-cost, locally available software that will identify and optimize the route of a vessel, given certain wave and wind conditions. Project ALON then proposes such, with an intuitive interface and customized to local processes for the ease of use of the end users. As of now, there are foreign software alternatives. However, they are expensive and they are not designed using our local data. With this project, an intuitive software can be developed and used towards an improved, energy-efficient, and safe voyage through Philippine maritime waters. This will also help the naval architects, designers, and builders improve the design of Philippine-made vessels in terms of fuel efficiency and safety. The software is also envisioned for better management, maintenance, and navigation of ships.